Welcome to the Sovereign Grand Reserve, the most insane $150 million private mega estate. Look at this impossible neo-organic architecture, surrounded by endless lush green orchards and absolute billionaire privacy. This drawing room is literally mind-blowing. Look at those emerald green accents and ultra-luxury Relax in the ultimate living lounge. Floor-to-ceiling opaque glass gives you total billionaire privacy. This master kitchen is completely next level. State-of-the-art appliances hidden in stunning slate gray cabinetry. Host the most epic dinners right here. This formal dining space features breathtaking layered ceilings and This ensuite bathroom is literally a private spa. Check out the floating marble vanities and massive glass shower. Step inside this massive entrance foyer. Arctic white walls and dark slate floors create pure, absolute perfection. Close billion-dollar deals in this executive home office. Acoustic wood walls ensure absolute total soundproof privacy today. Welcome to your massive master bedroom, the ultimate private sanctuary featuring stunning metallic accents and the secondary master bedroom rivals most five-star hotels. Experience total relaxation with massive emerald green accent walls. Your VIP guests will never want to leave this ultra-luxurious suite. Insane custom woodwork and Even the second guest bedroom is absolutely spectacular. Flawless slate gray finishes and perfect warm natural. Even the second guest bedroom is absolutely spectacular. Flawless slate gray finishes and perfect warm natural light. Focus and succeed in this breathtaking children's study room. Sleek minimalist desks and This family bedroom suite is massive and incredibly stylish. The perfect elegant space for ultimate comfort and step inside this jaw-dropping his and hers walk-in closet. Massive illuminated shelves for your entire Get ready in the most stunning makeup room ever built. Massive infinity mirrors and flawless Keep the mess away with this massive hidden prep kitchen. Professional-grade stainless steel perfectly integrated with slate gray. This ultimate butler's pantry ensures flawless absolute service every time. Pristine slate gray shelves hidden behind stunning Arctic white. Start your morning right at this absolute billionaire coffee bar. Custom emerald green espresso machines glowing under gorgeous. Enjoy your morning meals in this absolutely breathtaking breakfast nook. Featuring massive opaque windows and ultra-luxurious white seating, the indoor service kitchen extension is built for massive events. Spotless slate gray countertops and gorgeous emerald green finishes. Relax after dinner in this stunning indoor dining extension lounge. Incredible Arctic white furniture and perfectly cozy ambient warm lighting. Check out these massive, stunning modern refrigerators and luxury items. Completely seamless slate gray design. Relax completely in this stunning indoor pavilion. Slate gray accents perfectly balance the gorgeous emerald. Hang out on this exclusive poolside interior deck. Massive white loungers soaking in perfectly. Connect with nature inside this botanical zen garden. Stunning lush emerald greens perfectly sheltered inside the mansion. Dive into this breathtaking indoor pool lounge. Enclosed in stunning opaque glass and absolute pure billionaire luxury. Take a break in this incredibly private sitting lounge. Arctic white curves and absolutely amazing. Play games in this contemporary billiards entertainment hall. Stunning slate gray pool tables perfectly lit by custom lighting. Kick back inside this amazing casual media lounge. Huge cozy seating and absolutely massive custom. Watch movies in this plush velvet immersive cinema. Massive silver screens and absolutely insane state-of-the-art sound. Experience the ultimate indoor spa shower right here. Massive opaque glass walls and absolute perfect warm natural golden lighting. Your VIP guests get their own massive luxury ensuite. Check out the insane floor-to-ceiling emerald green stones. Step into this absolutely gorgeous luxury powder room. Huge custom mirrors and incredibly sleek slate gray floating stone sinks. This first guest bathroom is basically a private 5-star spa. Incredible slate gray. Even the second guest bathroom features pure absolute perfection. Mind-blowing Arctic white marble floating vanities. Read your favorite books in this insane massive home library. Endless slate gray shelves filled with pure absolute. Check out this absolutely incredible heavy bike collection display. Spotless superbikes resting perfectly on stunning seamless. Park your million-dollar hypercars in this ultra-luxury garage. Flawless polished concrete and absolutely insane custom strip lighting. This children entertainment space is literally every kid's absolute dream. Endless fun surrounded by stunning Arctic. Look at this absolutely stunning exclusive furniture show gallery. Custom emerald green pieces glowing under perfect warm lighting.
Even the massive luxury laundry room is completely state-of-the-art. Spotless slate gray machines hidden inside.
Step through the most elegant luxury mudroom entry ever designed. Stunning custom slate gray cabinets built for absolute. The private staff quarters feature absolute premium 5-star comfort. Perfectly designed spaces with gorgeous warm natural lighting everywhere. Move silently through this massive hidden residential service corridor network. Flawless polished floors and completely seamless pristine Arctic white walls. Monitor the entire estate from this massive security control room. State-of-the-art tech, perfectly integrated into slate gray. Even the hidden service stairs are an absolute stunning masterpiece. Beautiful slate gray stone steps illuminated by warm hidden lighting. Check out the absolutely massive futuristic estate air conditioning system. Hospital-grade pure air flowing through immaculate. The true brain of the mansion is this insane smart automation system. Perfect lighting controlled by pure. Relax in this completely enclosed massive indoor luxury sitting place. Stunning opaque windows bring the beautiful warm daylight straight inside.
Walk through this massive, completely enclosed indoor atrium orchard. Lush emerald green trees glowing under perfect warm lighting.
Check out this insane sculptural floating marble staircase. Absolute pure architectural perfection glowing under warm custom ambient lighting. Enjoy the views from this fully enclosed indoor terrace lounge. Total privacy behind massive opaque glass viewing. Take a seat in this absolutely breathtaking indoor lounge. Spotless Arctic white furniture resting on walk across the most expensive seamless floor tiles ever crafted. Massive slabs of Arctic white and push open this massive custom floor-to-ceiling room door. Incredible sheer weight completely silencing the out. Every single wall decoration features absolute pure artistic genius. Gorgeous textured slate gray panels mixed with emerald touches.